Hey there, today we're going to look at how to make a PDF searchable using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Over here, go to the File menu and select Open. Then browse your files, choose your PDF document and double-click to open it. After that, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard and type in a word or phrase. If the file is not searchable, Adobe Acrobat will prompt you to run text recognition. Click Yes to proceed. Then you'll see a dialog box asking if you want to run recognition on the current page or all pages. Select the option you need and click OK. After that, the OCR process will begin. Once it's complete, press Ctrl and F again and search for any text to confirm it's now searchable. Then remember to save your file. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.